Hi, I'm Kim Endicott. For Teach-In 1, I'm going to use a kindergarten classroom. The Common Core standard is identify whether the number of objects in one group is greater than, less than, or equal to the number of objects in another group by using matching and counting strategies. The content objective, the students will be able to identify greater than, less than, or equal to when given concrete items to count 4 out of 5 times. Materials, I'm going to give them a worksheet with pictures of buttons to count, a T-chart drawn on a dry erase board for students to pick numbers greater than or equal to or less than a given number, concrete objects to count such as M&Ms, symbols of greater than, less than, or equal to cut out, paper to poll classmates on the favorite color of M&Ms between red, blue, and green. The procedures, drawing prior knowledge, help students tell the difference between numerical values and which one is greater than, less than, or equal to. Instruction, students will count groups of 2 items on a worksheet to determine which ones are greater than, less than, or equal to. A T-chart on a dry erase board, I'm going to use the number 10 and have them select numbers that are greater than 10 and numbers that are less than 10. Students will count the M&Ms into 2 groups and use their paper cutout symbol to properly demonstrate which ones are greater than, which ones are less than, and which ones are equal to. The students will be given a paper to poll their classmates and their friends on their favorite color of M&Ms between 3 colors and determine which one is liked greater than, less than, or equal to. Each student will be able to share the results of their worksheet with the instructor verbally. They will then take the poll sheet home and continue to poll their friends and family members. The students shall return to class the next day with the results. For the adaptations, the enrichment, I will have additional packets of M&Ms to repeat the lesson, but with higher adding skills to challenge students that finish early. Reteach, I will have packets of M&Ms ready to repeat the lesson, but with one-on-one instruction. Some other papers that I have to help with this is the worksheet that I intend to use with the different colored buttons between pink and blue to determine which one's greater than, less than, or equal to. These are the symbols of less than, greater than, and equal to that I want them to cut out. This is the dry erase board that I'm going to be using that I will have blank, and hopefully they will be able to fill in the numbers correctly. Not all of them. And the M&Ms, I will give them M&Ms and have them compose them into 2 groups, and then hopefully they will be able to use the symbols correctly. And that is all I have until Teach-In 2. Thank you.